What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site called Paidviewpoint. All right, the link will be in the description. This is a really good survey site because you will never ever get disqualified for a survey. Every time you take one, you will get credited. I just want to show you my balance here. I have $24.17 and my trait score is 10,000. That's the highest you can get. You get your trait score up just by basically answering questions truthfully. On this site, it's very important that you answer questions that are lined up with your demographics, because they're going to send you more and more surveys. And like I said, you'll never get disqualified for it. You see here I have one survey waiting for me, so I'm gonna take that. I'm actually do that right now during this video to show you how easy they are. It's not gonna take me long at all, but I'm just gonna just take this survey. You see here again, $24.17. So we'll see how much this survey is worth. A lot of the surveys, the minimum they'll get is 10 cents. That you'll get for a survey is 10 cents, but like I tell you, every penny counts. So I'm just gonna take this survey real quick. Let me see, which of the following you purchased in the last 3 months. I haven't purchased any. Well, I actually have. I got some flowers for my wife. I got bulbs, light bulbs for the house. So go down, click next. Have you ever been diagnosed with prostate cancer? No. Click next. Yes. You know what I'm saying? The surveys here, they're very easy. They don't ask you any difficult questions. Let me see. And really, there's no right or wrong answer when it comes to these questions. Very simple, just answering basically anything. Well, not anything, but just giving them easy answers. Just basically what you really would do. You don't have to lie on this site, because like I said, you're going to get qualified for everything that you actually answer. It might be around like 10 questions maybe, so it's not a long survey either. I actually go to the gym. Go down, click next. And that's it, just like that. You earn 10 cents for that. You'll see it was 11 questions, not long at all. Now my balance is at $24.27. Just that easy. You know what I'm saying? You see here, I just took a survey. I got another one waiting for me. So you can really, the more and more surveys you do in here, the more and more they're going to send you. When your trait score is high like that, they're going to continue to send you surveys. You just saw me do the survey live on video. So you saw I didn't get disqualified for it. It was 11 questions. It was easy. And you just keep on doing like that. There's a lot of money in this site. I've cashed out plenty of times. I'm going to cash out soon again. The minimum to cash out in this site is $15. But like I said, if you're taking surveys every day, getting a minimum of 10 cents, and you see here, I got another one waiting for me. That's the minimum of 10 cents. You can really get that easily. You just got to, log onto this site every day, get your trait score up, and just keep going. Like once you first start out, you'll get surveys, basically you'll probably get like 1 or 2 a day. But then when your trait score gets to 10,000, you'll be getting 4 and 5 and 6, and it'll really pile up. So I just want to let you guys know, Paidviewpoint, it's a really, really good survey site, especially for those you who are always talking about how you get disqualified a lot. You need to sign up for this site, because you will never, ever get disqualified for a survey, regardless of what your answers are. All right. So like I said, the link is in the description. Minimum to cash out of $15, and just start taking surveys. They're never long. Like that one right there was what, like 2-3 minutes. So you got to get on this site. All right. So click on the link in the description, sign up, create an account, and start making money with it. All right. And always remember, every penny counts.